Welcome! If you've ever streamed or recorded on Discord, you've probably noticed streamer mode popping up and hiding your personal details. But what if you want to turn it off and get back to your regular Discord experience? Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable streamer mode on the Discord app for PC, even with the latest update. First, make sure your Discord app is open and you're logged in. Look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your username and a small gear icon right next to it. That gear icon is your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're in the settings menu. On the left sidebar, scroll down until you find the section called App Settings. Under this section, you'll see an option labeled Streamer Mode. Click on Streamer Mode to enter its settings. Inside the Streamer Mode menu, you'll see a switch labeled Enable Streamer Mode. If Streamer Mode is currently active, this switch will be turned on. To disable it, simply click the switch so it turns off. Instantly, you'll notice that your Discord will return to normal and all the privacy features of streamer mode will be deactivated. But there's one more thing you might want to check. Sometimes, Discord automatically enables streamer mode whenever it detects streaming or recording software like OBS running on your PC. If you want to prevent streamer mode from turning on by itself in the future, look for the option that says Automatically Enable/Disable. Make sure this toggle is switched off. This way, streamer mode will only turn on if you manually enable it, giving you full control over your Discord privacy settings. And that's it. You've now disabled streamer mode on Discord and stopped it from automatically turning back on. Enjoy your regular notifications, sounds, and full access to all your settings. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Discord experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.